Hi, Sharon Henderson here. I thought I'd just do a really quick live to share with you some software that I have really been enjoying using. So the name of the software is Link Wizard, and I just wanted to give you a little demonstration of how it works. And if you are going to tune in to this live, then you'll find a link in the comments or description. Click on that and you can actually get your own free copy. So super cool. All I need is an email address to send the access details to, and it is yours. So I'm going to first of all share my screen so I can show you Link Wizard in action. So here we go. Alrighty, I want this one and I want my entire screen, so I'll just share that with you now and add that to the feed. I'll just maximize it so you can see a wee bit better. Okay, so this is Link Wizard and it's super, super cool. And just a word of caution when you use link shorteners, bit.ly, which you'll see people that use it, so that it basically a link shortener helps people remember a link, copy it and paste it more easily than the original link, which is often really long and difficult to remember. So a lot of people use bit.ly, which is bit.ly. Now that .ly means that it originates from Lebanon. And the problem with using bit.ly links as link shorteners is that there's a lot of countries out there where they'll actually block those shortened links. And I learnt myself the hard way when I ran a solo ad and I used the bit.ly link. And I just tested it after I'd run the ad and I realized with horror that it had only about a 50% success rate. I put it in the browser, sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. Well, with Link Wizard, rest assured, that doesn't happen. And it's got some really super cool features as well. So I'll just take you through those now. So here are some that I did earlier, but let's do one from scratch. And what I might just do for you as well is, let's have a look over here. I'm just going to refresh the page, and that way we can see the live, and I can actually add while we're talking to the description all the details you need for this software, because I think you're really going to want to use it once you see what it can do for your business. It has the ability to add logos and all sorts of super cool stuff. Now, hopefully my live is going to start showing here. All right, here we go. That's the upcoming live with Debbie, which I'm super, super excited about. So I'm just going to click here. And it should let me change the description. So I'll just edit this description. Edit video. I think it's that one. Let's have a look. Okay, so I just want to go in here, edit post, and I'll just pop the details here so that you can see what it's all about. All right, so the link is there, which you can visit when you're ready. So I'll just hit save there, and I'll just quickly put it on my profile as well for you. So depending on where you're viewing, you can see it. It looks like comments aren't working again. So it looks like there are people watching, 5 people now. Hi everyone. I will just very quickly see if I can find the live. I'll just refresh the page. And then I'll pop those details in on my profile page for you as well. And then you've got them. Here we go. Now, is it going to let me edit the description? It's super slow. I can hear my computer feels like it's going to take off any minute. Right, let's edit the post. Come on, come on, come on. Where are you? You can do this. Here we go. And I'll pop it in here for you as well. Edit post. Just pop it in there. All right, so now you can see it. Cool bananas. Okay, so I'll come out of that. Let's go back to Link Wizard. Where have you gone? There you are. All right, back to Link Wizard. Now you've got the details. So let's create a new link. Let's say we go to my YouTube channel, which is that one there. Open that one up. And I'll go through the process with you. Now, you can see that that YouTube channel is a bit convoluted, not something you're going to remember very easily. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my link wizard, and I'm going to pop, let's have a look, create short links. I'm going to create short links. There's lots of things you can do. This is the one that I use it for most. So I'm going to paste in here the actual URL for the YouTube channel. If it's a Facebook URL, then you can check that box there. Check if you want to customize your URL. I do. And then all of that is shortened to inkw.co. And then I could put KEM YouTube, say. Do it lowercase so it's not confusing. KEM YouTube. Alrighty. And then let's check that it's happy with that. It does like to check that there isn't already an existing link, because that would cause confusion. And then you can add a pixel if you want. You can add tags. I can add a description here. Let's say I want to put the successful mompreneur channel, say, whoops, channel. And then this is the bit that I really like. You can click on add customize redirecting page. I find 5 seconds is a little bit too long, so let's put that. And then I can actually choose the logo that I want to use. So let's go in and find a logo. Which one? I'm just going to pick one. It's not actually the one I want, but I'll just pick one for now. Let's say we go for, which one should we go for? Something that's not going to be too big. You want some space in between it, ideally. Let's say we choose that one. No, that's not too bad. You might want it a little bit bigger, but you can play with that. Okay, and then I can choose whatever color I want for my branding. So I'm just going to click on that there, and I'm going to head over to my browser here and click on that color, because that matches. So I've set that, and then you can put here anything you like. This is the words that come up. So let's say we put awesomeness is on its way. Okay, and then I can add a favicon if I want. I'll just close that one off. So for my favicon, I'll just click on choose file. Let's say I choose this one here. So I've got a favicon. I can add a link preview as well, which I can either keep as the original, or I can create a new one if I wish. Up to me what I want to do. I'll use the original one, because that's just going to take all the metadata from my YouTube channel that's already set up for me anyway. You can add expiration links, expiration dates for links, schedules. You can geolocate, which enables you to determine where things are shown, which is pretty cool. You could add a password if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it at that. And I'm going to click on shorten URL. And it's having a wee think about it. Okay, and then that is the first one in my list. Success, it has been created. So I can just then copy that link there, and let's give it a whirl. So I'm going to enter it in here, and let's watch it in action. So there's my logo. Awesomeness is on its way. Countdown timer. And there we are at our YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. And that is basically Link Wizard in a nutshell. I love it. As you can see, I use it a lot. And what's really cool is you can see how many clicks you get. So this one here for my KEM WordPress community Facebook page is probably the most popular one. I get a lot of clicks on that one. So it's really cool because you can see where your clicks, which ones are being clicked on, and it just is really cool for tracking and that sort of thing. So that is Link Wizard in a nutshell. just check out the comments and you will see all the description for my various pages where I'm streaming to. Close that off. And hopefully you will be able to see how to get your hands on this super cool software. I'm giving it away for free. You just need to subscribe using the link that I have given you. And I just wanted to see if anybody has any questions, because I am not seeing any questions in StreamYard again. So I'm just going to have a quick look. I might take the share off because we don't need that anymore. I'll remove that one. And I'm just going to really quickly, before I go, check if anyone has any questions. Let's see. Any questions? Anything here? Marvin Kornicki says hi. Hi to you too. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to go on the link. I have one more I see that I actually need to update. So I will do that as well, just for the group. I'll just check on my profile and see if anyone's got any questions before I go. Bill Bro joined. Hey, Bill. And Akram Damraj joined too. Hey, welcome. Don't forget to click on the link and you can have the software too. So if no one has any questions for me, then I will sign out now. Just check no one has any questions there. Check the comments here. No. All right. So it's pretty informational as opposed to and fro discussions. So hopefully I have covered everything there. If there's anything else you want me to tell you about Link Wizard, just leave me a comment after the live. Cool. Thank you for tuning in. That's Link Wizard. Really worth using in your business. Just remember to avoid Bitly because it does cause issues with being blocked with certain countries. So thank you for tuning in. We are going to be doing another live tomorrow with Debbie Dybovic from Star Consulting. So that's super exciting. She's going to talk to us about how you can streamline your business. She's got lots of tips and tricks that are going to be super helpful. So I look forward to tuning in with you again tomorrow. Until then, have a great rest of the day. See ya. Bye.